Hey guys, I'm on the concourse of North Point Station, and here we have another episode of End of the Line. Alright, let's go down. We can also notice the middle level here, only accessible by the escalators going downward, and there's also a charging station here. Anyways, let's keep going down. Right here, and just like last episode, this station also features cross-platform interchanges. This platform is extremely wide, and the upper level includes the platforms for the An line towards Candy Town and the Cheongkwon line terminating, which namely is platforms 2 and 4. An interesting thing is that platform 4 has no advertisement boards or lights right here, and also with most Island Line stations, the walls are curved. Surprisingly, this is the only time that this will be mentioned in End of the Line. Then let's go down to other level. Of course, the same lines, but they're going in the opposite directions, i.e. the An line to Taiwan and the Cheongkwon line to Polam or Lohas Park. Of course, if it's non-peak hours and if you're going to Lohas Park, you have to change trains at Silking or Cheongkwon. Also, this is the 5th deepest station at 38 meters. Now, let's look at some history. In both the 1967 Hong Kong Mass Transit Study and the 1970 Hong Kong Mass Transit Further Studies, this station is still called North Point, and it's also served by the Island Line, with the other stations comparatively being the same as now. North Point gets its name from the fact it's the most northern point of Hong Kong Island. On the 20th September 2001, the Kwun Tong line was extended from Quarry Bay to here due to extreme passenger flow at Quarry Bay. Later, on the 4th of August 2002, the Cross Harbor section of the Kwun Tong line was transferred over to the Cheongkwon line. In fact, there's still sections of track connecting Quarry Bay to Lam Tin, but it's only mainly used in non-operational hours and emergencies. And lastly, let's look at some exits. Exit A is for Java Road, and Exit B is for Kings Road. The last fun fact of this video is that this Exit A3 only serves the basement floor of Oden Plaza, which only has one store. This exit is the only pathway to connect to it, which means that the closure of this exit depends on the store. These types of exits are only seen in 2 other stations, namely Tingyi with Exit G and Whampoa with Exit D1. Alright, that's it. Bye.